Hey guys, time for a quick and dirty video. I said we would test this again after it ran overnight. So let's just take the decade box to 4, nope. 5, nope. Still starts at 6, still very stiff. I did clock the RPMs before I came in here and it was about 190. Six eight is actually more than it was drawing yesterday. I wonder if this is one of those motors that draws more current the faster it goes. That is a thing. No, because it drops. Yesterday I thought it was like 6.5 maybe. No, it goes back up. Okay. Well, let's do a quick CFM test. I already did the RPM test and wanted to see while it was still running if there was in fact a difference. It did seem like there was. 452. $472. Okay, that is more than I. Alexa, what's 472 times 14.75?
472 times 14.75 is 6,962.
So we're getting closer to 7,000 CFM. Okay, so I was supposed to do a bunch of videos today and see what had happened was everything actually arrived. A few screws were missing. A couple wires were severed in shipping. I think that's... I'm trying to think if there was any other shipping damage. Yes, one of the canopies got bent, but that's not a big deal. But... So I needed to go to Menards to get those screws and some Jonas wire, and I also needed to go to Menards for other reasons, for the barbershop project and a few other things that we got going on this weekend. And so I was going to go to Menards tonight before they closed. Now it's not starting on 6. 7. Maybe I will give it a little WD-40. Has this got some in it? Yeah. I said to myself, if it's can had some WD-40 in it, then that was going to be the deciding factor on whether or not it got WD-40. Great thing about these is that both bearings are exposed. So I left, actually, I got up relatively early this morning. See at 10. I got up relatively early this morning so that I could run some errands early on and then get back and unpack the packages and things like that. And my first errand was... Where did I go? Oh, first errand was because the Prius has been out of commission. My screen's broken. When's that? That's never happened before. Wow. Guess I know what I'm doing tomorrow. Wonder how that happened. I was like, what's that on my ceiling? It wasn't on the ceiling. The screen's actually cracked. Well, dang. That's a new one. I've had this phone for years and never cracked the screen. See if this makes a difference. Otherwise, it's just time to get a new phone, but... Let's see if that made a difference. yeah, so the first one was to go get the Prius taken care of, and that's in the shop now. So I've been trying to get both cars worked on, and then I went and got coffee. Then I went to the bearing store, and then I had to come back. That's a long story. The point was that I did not make it to Menards before they closed because both cars were being worked on at the same time. And well, dang! I wonder what it hit, because it's got something must have hit it right there. Still very stiff. See if it makes a difference. See where it starts. Nope. Okay, well, now I gotta change my plan. So, thanks for watching. Bye, Fanstick.